If your heat pump is not heating, it can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience. Common symptoms include lukewarm or cool air blowing from the vents and increased energy bills. The most likely causes include a faulty thermostat, low refrigerant levels, and issues with the compressor or fan motor. As a homeowner, you can perform some safe checks, such as checking the thermostat settings and ensuring the air filters are clean. However, it's essential to hire a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the issue. A qualified technician will test the system's electrical components, inspect the refrigerant levels, and check for any blockages in the air ducts. The repair process typically involves repairing or replacing the faulty component and ensuring that the system is functioning properly. To prevent future issues, it's crucial to maintain your heat pump regularly, including scheduling annual inspections and cleaning the air filters.